Hello everyone at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. Today we have Apple Watch 6 series 40 mm, and as you can see here the screen has a crack, but the LCD is still working fine. There is no problem with the LCD, only the glass is broken. So customer brought it here for glass replacement, for refurbished the glass. So today I will show you how to do glass replacement for this. See now, we just need to clean the LCD and install a new glass on it. It will be ready to go. So next step, I will show you how to do the glass adding or installing, and then we'll put it inside the machine for limitation and bubbles removing. So now we need to clean the glass, the main LCD, to make sure no dust on any remaining glues. By the way, this glass is high quality glass. It's a premium condition. It's kind of OEM glass, not the aftermarket, not the cheap one. If you have any iPad or iPhone or Apple Watch, you need the glass replacement, refurbish the screen, bring it to our store. So now I'll put it inside the machine. Out from the machine, I just connected here. See the touch, and the LCD is working good. If you have iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, you need the glass replacement, give us a call at 416-587-7105 or visit our website maplelaptopservices.com. Thank you for watching. See you next video.